What's up, guys? Today we're doing something different. And I know this is a gaming channel and we rarely do tech videos, but we were invited to showcase a new product which I felt oddly fitting to any gamer that cares about his or her health. We spend so many hours sitting and playing the latest games that we tend to overlook our health, and this may serve as a reminder that we need to get up and move. Walk, run, start some workout program to make up for our sedentary life in front of the screen. Years will take their toll. I'm talking about the latest smartwatch from Imilab, a sub-brand of Xiaomi. And by now you should know that this name equals quality. I own a Xiaomi smartphone and honestly couldn't be more pleased with it. But back to the Imilab smartwatch W12, which we've received for testing. I'll start by saying that this is an affordable watch of great design and build based on what I've used before. The price depends on countries and promotions, but I've seen it ranging from $60 to $80. Pretty good comparing to similar watches from brands such as Amazfit or Huawei. You can find all the essential links in the video description along with other useful sources. To use the W12 to the fullest, you must download the GloryFit mobile app. This will allow you to track all the important health functions and tweak the interface via Bluetooth connection. The W12 comes with a 1.32-inch HD large screen with 360 by 360 pixels display, up to 30 days battery standby, and 14 days of continuous use. And it's waterproof, so you don't have to worry about daily hand washing or even swimming in a pool. It also has customizable watch faces. I'm a big fan of this last feature as I believe that a new face now and then lifts your spirit and makes you feel like you have a brand new watch. Apart from the default watch faces, you have the option to create your tailored watch face as well. Just take a picture or pick any photo from your gallery and you have a custom-made watch face with your kids, club, or whatever you can think of. The W12 is an elegant smartwatch with premium finish, feels great to the touch with zinc alloy for the body, and a very lightweight build. As it usually happens, this smartwatch includes a host of health tracking features such as heart rate and blood oxygen monitor, 13 different sport modes to track your progress as you swim, run, cycle, jump rope, do yoga, sit-ups, and more. I'll just highlight a few features of the W12, such as the pedometer. Always important for the daily life of someone who wants to hit a certain number of steps. But the most important feature in our pandemic times has to be the blood oxygen monitor, as this should keep you aware of your blood oxygen levels 24 hours a day. Charging the W12 is made through a magnetic cable that's included in the package. You can fully charge it using the USB adapter in around 2 hours. After a few days of using it, I'm pleased with the comfort and features of the Imilab smartwatch W12. If you're on the lookout for a robust smartwatch that won't burn a hole in your pocket, this is a great option.